again. And this time I'm Prairie's friend, Devarsh.
So we're gonna make some. Next, first is Devarsh and my turn. So let's go Devarsh's turn.
So as always, first we need glue to put in.
Yeah.
So come on, let's put glue in.
It's too hard. Glue. Because it's too hard. So let's
1, 2, 3.
put all in
Glue
there.
in. Wow. There's a lot of
kids,
glue.
this one is a glue for a minute.
Last time we had clear glue. That time it was only Prairie, but this time it's me. This time we have the original one, not the clear glue.
Yeah, so we already made pink and blue. So we're gonna make some.
And we're gonna mix up some colors, and I'm gonna mix up blue and yellow, and she's gonna mix up yellow and pink.
So we gonna make that. Yeah.
So that is like coming, not stopping. So,
Me?
you're done?
I'm done. Let's get it out.
Okay, I'm done.
Get it out.
All done?
Yep.
We don't need this.
So that's that enough.
So
we
let's put that away.
So now
Your turn.
next we need food coloring. So first Daryl's gonna pick a color and I'm gonna pick a color.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna pick blue, sky blue, and sunflower.
So we're gonna open these package.
So we're gonna
Open these package.
first. I'm just gonna put a little bit of blue.
So we can put it in a spoon. Josh is he's my
Oh, there.
friend. So actually,
There.
so put some little bit blue, and now it's my turn.
Now
It's yellow.
you need
pink.
pink, right?
Yep. So
There's your berry pink. And I'm gonna open this up.
yeah.
Oopsies.
Wait.
Never mind. Put this one out. Let's open this thing up.
Can you? I'll do it.
So it's like
Dad, can you help me?
oh sure.
This one is pink. So we got pink and blue and yellow. So we got pink. So next
I'm gonna get a little bit of pink to make it amazing.
So I need. Wait, it's.
Oh, should I help me?
Yeah. So Della's gonna help me because I'm 5 years old. So let's go
And
mix.
I'm 8.
Let's mix.
Now let's mix. Wow.
Wow.
Mine's making a crazy color.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Mine's making a crazy color.
It's okay.
Ooh, mine's making a very crazy color.
Ooh, this one is a pretty one.
Mine's making a lightish green from like a grass green.
Do you like this color? This one is a new color. This one, what color is it, kids? What color?
This really looks like green, light green. Of course, it's easy.
And this one is yellow to mix pink.
Now it's time for the liquid starch.
And now we can use glitter and then we're gonna mix it up, right?
Yeah.
So we have
We need
a
a
cup of,
half tablespoon. That's enough.
and now it's my turn. So now we have to mix.
Wait, there's a little bit more.
Yeah. So now we gotta mix it.
Now we're going to mix it. You can start mixing. I'm going to just do this.
Woo! My slime!
Go! finally. Yeah. Look at this. Wow. Your hands are going to get dirty.
My
The
hands
more
are
like
dirty.
the shirt you put, the better it gets.
Now we need glitter.
Okay. I, of course, want this. Wow, my hands are slippery, so I can't open it. So you can pick your color.
We gotta have 2 colors, right?
Yeah.
Shoot. It's just a bug, guys. It's just a
Wait,
bug.
you said that you need green, right?
Oh, yeah.
Now my next color is my favorite. As a whole, I'm gonna try to mix 3 colors. We'll see. Excuse me.
You see, guys? Devarsh got too much.
Finally, it's over.
Now it's my turn.
Wait.
So, what? What now? Oops.
My last finale color is my favorite.
Can I have...
Blue. Now you can have the prairie.
Look at all these mess. So now it's my turn. I gotta use this color. I'm just gonna go put the letter. What, Devarsh?
Look at this.
That's enough. Close it. And now...
If you guys want to touch it, there you go.
That was just silly. Just talk to Devarsh. Go talk to Devarsh.
Make amazing slime that don't stick in your hand that much.
If you wash your hands, your parents gonna be angry, so you have to keep your slime.
You can, this, after like 5 or 6 days, it gets dried up.
Super hard.
Like, let me show you. So guys, this is 6 days old and look what happened to it. And the one that Prairie's hands, so we have another one. This one is 7 days old. It's like a rock.
Sometimes happen, sometimes it's not good.
So this one looks kind of good because it's time to put in a lot more liquid sauce, so
And glitter.
it can't get that much like look at mine, it looks like a cupcake.
And look at mine. Look like a lunch.
Yeah, and guys, next time, see our videos and come on, Prairie.
See ya.
Bye.